so today we are going to be reviewing the new Chi Chroma Shine hair dye line, which is, Chi is very known, it's just not known for hair dye, which is pretty weird because they are known for hair products. So the fact that they recently just came out with hair dye is a little odd to me, but since Sally is completely wiped out, and if when I'm saying wiped out, I'm saying like if it's not related to blonde, black, or brown hair, there literally was nothing else there, which is completely fine because these babies came up to save my life. And I did get two different shades. So the two different shades that I did get is Aren't You Obsessed? Isn't that so cute? Aren't you obsessed? I'm obsessed with my hair after this. I'll let you know though. Dangerously Red. R. So the reason why I got both of these is because I'm in hopes that it's gonna be coming out in like a tangy red because that's what I was looking for. But since I didn't find it, I grabbed these two colors and we're just gonna get creative. I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair and mix these and I'll be right back. Cool? Cool. I'm Miley Cyrus. This girl, if she knows if I have to put developer in here, she claimed I didn't need to put any type of developer. It says peroxide free, it's ammonia free, peroxide free, and PPD free. Just so you guys know, ammonia is really bad for your hair. The fact that this doesn't have it makes me feel a little more confident. Okay, so this was definitely not expected. It looks like a bottle. Normally, when it comes in a bottle like this, it's like, I don't know, I just expected it to, for some reason, be like in a tube, not a bottle. Which is weird. If you guys want a closer look, this is what it looks like. This is Dangerously Red, so I'm really curious to see what's up. I'm gonna go ahead and screen through the instructions, that way you guys can get like a brief summary of everything. Hey guys, I don't mean to be like melodramatic or anything, but it deadass says for professional use only, so I don't even know. Yes, I'm gonna start off with orange just because I feel like red overpowers the orange, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the whole thing, and I'm gonna just watch. Oh, okay, so it's like a little tip like this, and I don't know if it's already open. Like, do we have to pop a hole or something? I don't know. Oh, yeah, we do. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up real quick. Alright, so I opened it up. Now that I did that, I don't know why it has this tip. Personally, I use the bolt and the brush, so I'm gonna go. Well, I guess I should probably just take this off. I'm so annoying. Why am I built like this? So here I am. Oh, by the way, it does not need any developers, so you guys are aware. I'm gonna use the whole thing because I have short hair, yeah, but it's pretty thick. Ooh. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I want to mix it all at once, so like I hope I don't run out, so I don't have to make a second batch. I'm gonna come back as soon as I get all the orange out, like more used to the bowl, because it came with this type of tip, and I don't know if they wanted us to apply with this tip, but I don't know. I'm not used to that, so I'm just gonna pour the whole thing in here, and I'm gonna do this because I don't want to make another second batch and not have the same similar shade of the same color, whatever. It's really stuff. Let me just... I'll be right back. Just the whole Orange You Obsessed dye, and I put it in the bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and add like a couple droplets of the red, mix it up and see what I get, and I'll just move forward from there. So keep in mind, this is the whole Orange You Glad shade. Oh, that might be a lot. Let me just mix it first, because colors usually, darker colors empower the brighter colors, so that right there is pretty dark itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up. We're mixing it. Oh, let me get it. So right now what I'm doing is I'm mixing the orange and the red to see what kind of color. I'm trying my best to try to show you guys while seeing myself. I'm gonna add one more droplet of red. Because again, darker colors usually overpower. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my hair and I'll come back to you guys, okay? See y'all later. Alright, I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished. This is what it looks like. I'll come back in a minute. This is the final look. Let me put the light a little more. So my bottom layer did take more than the top layer, which I really don't mind because I feel like it gives it like a natural peekaboo kind of scene or whatever. I did notice the hair dye did smell like oranges, which I really didn't mind. It was pretty pleasant. While I was washing it out, it felt almost as if it were conditioner, which I really liked because I feel like it gave me either the illusion or it really did make my hair softer, and I can actually feel a difference, which is cool. Other than that, I really loved the color. I did like how my bangs are green and there is no tint of green whatsoever in my bangs anymore. And yeah, go ahead and leave a comment and a like if you liked it. And let me know, hopefully you can use this as reference for yourself. And yeah, I was a little nervous going into it, but at the end, I really loved the results. Thanks for watching.